Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Did you lose your Hisense TV remote? Or maybe your original remote stopped working? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the latest universal remote control codes for Hisense TVs and how to program them step by step. Let's get started. Section 1: Common Hisense TV Remote Codes. Here are some of the most commonly used universal remote codes for Hisense TVs. 3-digit Hisense TV codes: 759, 351, 078, 021, 018. 4-digit Hisense TV codes: 0073, 0182, 0216, 0848. 5-digit Hisense TV codes: 12183, 10748, 11758, 12049. Section 2: How to program a universal remote to Hisense TV. Now let me show you how to connect your universal remote to your Hisense TV. Method 1: Manual code entry. 1. Turn on your Hisense TV. 2. Press and hold the Setup button on your universal remote until the indicator light turns on. 3. Press the TV button. 4. Enter one of the Hisense TV codes from the list. 5. If the light turns off, the code was accepted. 6. Test the remote by pressing volume or power buttons. Section 3: Auto Code Search Method. If none of the codes work, you can use the auto search feature. 1. Turn on the TV. 2. Hold the setup button until the light blinks. 3. Press the TV button. 4. Hold the power button and wait. 5. The remote will test different codes automatically. 6. Once the TV turns off, press Enter or OK to save the code. Conclusion: so that's the updated list of universal remote control codes for Hisense TVs along with the easiest setup methods. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more smart TV and streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.